substructure, which is a single rectangular pier, is in harmony with the structural form of superstructure. Moving ahead, the corridor passes over the Madan Mahal railway station, which is a busy suburban railway station. Due to the long span requirement, this location is proposed to have a state-of-the-art extra-dosed cable-stayed structure. To facilitate unhindered construction, the pylons are located outside the railway boundary. The central span of the bridge is 193 meters, with side spans of 96 meters on either side. That makes this bridge as one of the longest span bridges in India. The elevated corridor at Madan Mahal Chowk disperses traffic on one side towards Medical College and on the other side towards the city. At this junction point, an elevated rotary is planned to facilitate the signal-free movement of traffic to avoid mix-up and congestion. This landmark project in the city of Jabalpur, which is also known as Sanskar Dhani, will provide a seamless and fast connectivity to either sides of the railway corridor. As a part of the smart city development, the elevated corridor with signature structures will be a substantial makeover from a Tier 2 city to a smart city. This will also facilitate the tourist movement to Marble Rock Formation in Bedaghat. The project will provide a big boost to economic activity and employment generation in the surrounding areas. This major elevated corridor project is scheduled for completion by May 2023. NCC, one of the leading infrastructure development firms of the nation, is entrusted with the construction of this prestigious flyover project. It will be a feather in the growing infrastructure of the city of Jabalpur.